but it's given what it's supposed to give. Purr.
Baby, getting so loud. I dig, make my soul smile. Like it. Tell me if you made me that you like it. Type of love to make you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Lena now, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a Shein try-on haul, winter edition, I guess you could say, fall, whatever. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe before we jump into the video. And yeah, let's get to it. This is my first time doing a try-on haul like this. I'm going to just be sitting down talking about the items, and I'm going to put like a split screen of me trying the items on. The first thing we want to start with is my purse that I got. I just got one purse. I didn't get too many accessories this time. So this is the purse, y'all. It come in this little dust bag, and when you take it out, it's just a little teddy bear fur purse, y'all. I just thought this was so cute when I saw this on their website, y'all. Look at this. Like, this is so stinking cute. Look. It probably looked like less brown on camera, but it's definitely like a brown teddy bear-ish color. And it's real cute. Like, it's big too on the inside. Like, it's not real tiny how some little bags be real tiny now. But yeah, y'all, this bag is so cute. I had to have this. But y'all, this is the only bag I got. And I'm going to have all the prices and the names of the items on the screen. And I'm going to also have the links down below so y'all can check them out if y'all want to. Because I can't remember off the top of my head how much everything was. But I'll definitely have it in the video for y'all so y'all can get the tea on that. Alright, y'all. So the next item is this little trench coat. I wouldn't really call it a trench coat because it's not like thick. It's really just like a little flannel print looking coat. Like, it's not even thick. Like, I wouldn't even consider this a coat. I consider this like a jacket. But it's long, you know. It's long. The sleeves are short. That's why I say, like, I wouldn't call this like a coat because it's not going to keep nobody warm. Like, this is a jacket. But I just thought this was so cute. Like, these type of jackets are in right now. And I just liked it, the color, because it had, like, you know, the pink. Like, it's still giving girly, but it's still giving, like, trench coat flannel vibes, which I wanted. But yeah, y'all, this is the coat. It got these little buttons. Pockets right here on the front. It don't have no pockets on this part, just the pockets on the front. The size small. The coat fit. It fit. Like, it's not too oversized on me because I got it in a small because I didn't really want it to be real oversized on me. But if you want the oversized look and you're a little thicker than me, probably get a medium or a large. But if you my size or smaller, you'll definitely need a small. And I actually already wore this coat. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, y'all probably didn't see the pictures. So make sure you go follow me right now. But I definitely wore this coat already. I'll put the picture right here so y'all can see what I paired it with. I really liked this outfit. Everybody on Instagram liked it. Everybody thought it looked cute or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to change my style up. Like, I'm such a tomboyish, like, I just like to wear tennis shoes and stuff. I don't really like to wear, like, you know, the little platform boots, the combat boots, the little girly stuff. Like, I don't really do that a lot. So I'm trying to, like, get out of my comfort zone. So yeah. So the next item is this new turtleneck. It's like a ridged material, as y'all can I don't know why I got lint balls on it. Probably because I already wore it. Probably from that coat. But as y'all can see, it's like a ridged material. It's more brown than it's looking on camera. Like, it's very much nude. It's not all tan how it looks in the camera. I don't know why my camera come off like that all the time. But this is definitely a nude turtleneck. This top is in a medium as well, you guys. And I just love the material. It's so soft. It's stretchy. And yes, it's just a fall and winter staple. Like, turtlenecks are definitely in right now. New, definitely in right now. You definitely need one of these in your closet. Period. And I don't know why I've been liking the ridge material so much better than regular material. It just give it like a little more something instead of just being like a plain turtleneck. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love the ridge material. Ridge is my fave, and it make me look a little snatched, a little skinnier. The next top is this white turtleneck crop top. Now, when I say crop top, I mean like crop top. I mean like literally just covering the titties top. Like, if you got big titties like me, double D's, this only gonna cover your titties. And I got this in a size medium. If I would have got it in a large, maybe it would be more like longer on the stomach and it won't just cover my tits. But this is very short. I don't know how I'm gonna get away with wearing this while it's so cold out. But I probably wear this like on a day when I go out. But yep, it's long sleeve, it's ridge material. Can y'all see? It's ridge material just like the other turtleneck. And it is stretchy, as y'all can see. It fits me, I'm not gonna lie, it fit me a little tight because I got big titties and I gained a couple pounds. So yeah, if you my size with my size boobs, medium or large, anything smaller than me, I would say it's small. So the next top I got is this cheetah print sweater. This is so stinking cute. Like, I love this. I love cheetah print, but this sweater is just so cute. It's nice and soft. It's stretchy. I wanted to go for like the oversized look, but I did get this in a size small, so it doesn't really fit me like oversized. But if you are my size or bigger and you want it to be like loose and give an oversized look, you might want to get a medium or a large. But if you my size or smaller, a small will do pretty good. I think this is not like a turtleneck. It's like more of a mock neck. Like, it's the neck is like kind of like this neck. I'm sure I have one right now. And y'all, this is so cute. Like, I love this. I don't know what I'm gonna pair it with yet, but I think I got a vision. I got a vision of what I'm gonna pair this with. And it's gonna be so cute when I put it together and drop my pics with this sweater. Pretty cool. But yeah, y'all, I just had to get, you know, a few little items that I can wear when it's cold outside. Like, I got a whole bunch of clothes, but it's not like I don't have a lot of shirts that I could just wear on a regular shirt that's cute, or a regular sweater. Like, I got a lot of stuff that's like, it's too much. It's never. So I had to get me, you know, some basic shirts, sweaters, not crop tops, like the whole sweater. You know, that's why I got this. All right, y'all, so the last top is this mesh shirt. It's stretchy, but it's not too stretchy. Like, I got a mesh shirt from them. It's like the Renaissance Angels mesh shirt. If you seen my last Shein try on haul, I had it in that one. If you didn't see that one, make sure you go watch that one after this one because it's lit. But that one was very much stretchier than this one. I don't know if it's because I gained a little bit of weight over quarantine or what, but it's kind of funny smell too. But this shirt is like super duper tight. Like, did my titties get bigger? Like, I don't know. And I got this in I think I got it in a small or I think I got this in a medium. Let me see. Yeah, I got this in a medium. So, and I got the other one in a medium too, but I guess they cut different. I don't really know, y'all, but this shirt is a little tight. So if you bigger than me, you're gonna need a large. I think it extra large. If it comes in extra large, I'm not sure, y'all. But if you smaller than me or my size, a medium or small will do good. But yeah, y'all, this is stretchy, but I think I just needed like a large because it's real tight. Y'all gonna see. It's tight. I'm gonna wear it, but it's tight. But yeah, other than that, I really love this shirt. Like, it's so stinking cute. Look at it. It's like paint. It's like, I don't know what you call this print, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Purr. All right, y'all, that was all the tops. Now I'm about to show you all my bottoms. I only got a couple of bottoms, not too much. I don't like buying bottoms offline because I'm very tall. I have very long legs, and sometimes the ratio, my hips and my waist ratio with my length of my legs, sometimes it don't mix. Sometimes I can fit it in the waist, but it be high water. Sometimes it be long but too tight in the waist or too big in the waist. My sizes when it comes to bottoms is so funny, so that's why I didn't get too many. But I did get a couple, and I'm gonna show y'all those right now. So, as y'all know, if you don't know, now you know. The leather or whatever you want to call it, I don't know, what is it called, like vinyl? I don't know what you call it, but the leather clothes is in, definitely. I had to get me some of these pants, y'all. Like, these pants is just it. Like, first of all, the color, like, the color is giving what it's definitely supposed to give, period. These is super long. Y'all know I'm long as hell. So if you tall like me, these definitely gonna fit you. Like, these come all the way to my ankles. Like, not high water at all. And I like how it had the splits on the bottom as well. It's giving what it's supposed to give, period. And it's super scratchy, so if you a little thickums like me, you can, if you my size, you can definitely fit a medium. I believe I got these in a medium. Yep. These are a medium, y'all. These do got a funny smell. Ooh. These do got a funny, like, a fishy smell. I don't know why. But these pants is so cute, y'all. Look at these fucking pants. Like, bitch, if you don't got some of these in your closet, what are you doing? Go get you some of these. These is lit. Like, I'm just so pressed. I wanted to get, like, every color in these, but a bitch ain't rich, so I couldn't do that. But I just had to have these. Like, and I'm gonna pair these pants with the top I just showed y'all. I'm gonna have it on in the clip when I'm the try on portion, so y'all can see how it looks together. But I got these pants to go with the top I showed y'all before. These pants, I'm gonna wear one of these outfits for my birthday, y'all, because I probably don't really do nothing too heavy, so I don't need to go buy no more new clothes. I got clothes, so I'm gonna have to put one of these cute little outfits together with for my birthday, and just get some shoes or something. But we still gonna be cute. Last but not least, I got these color block pants. They like white, khaki, and like a burgundy-ish, brown-ish. And these are high-waisted, y'all. And I got these in a size large. They not high waters at all. They definitely come all the way down to the ground, definitely long. And these type of pants are in right now. Like, they've been in. I'm just hopping on the wave, y'all. I was gonna buy me some from the thrift store and try to, like, make me some. But when I seen these on Shein, I had to have these. Like, these, like, with the blocks, like, this is just giving, bitch. This is giving. I love these pants, y'all. Like, I probably wear these on my birthday. I don't know, because I don't want to wear these on my birthday because they don't give birthday. You know what I'm saying? Like, they give more outfit, but not like birthday. But these is so cute. And I was gonna pair these with the white turtleneck, the crop top turtleneck. But these, I'm gonna have it on in the try on portion. But y'all, these pants, I love these pants. Like, look at the detail. Like, I love this detail. Like, I love the detail on the pocket. I just love everything about these pants, y'all. I love them. Only thing I don't like is that they make my booty look real, like, that because I don't really have a butt already. So with these, that just make it worse. But I don't care. My bad, y'all. I forgot to show y'all this dress. It's just a little chocolate. petite dress, long sleeves. Yeah, I'm gonna try them for y'all. So y'all, that completes this Shein try on haul. If you made it this far, I want to say I love you so much. You're a real one. Thanks for sticking around with your girl. Your support does not ever go unnoticed. I promise it doesn't. I love all of y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on all my social medias at Lanell. That's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. All that is going to be linked down below to make it easier for you. And make sure you watch my last Shein haul. It's going to be in the cards right here, right now. If you didn't watch that one already. And yeah, we lit. If you like any of these items, make sure you click the link down below to go buy you some, sis. I'm going to have it all down there to make it easier for you. My sizes, all that going to be down below. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.
We be getting so loud. I dig make my soul smile.